Welcome to Mishnayos for Children. Today we are going to learn the 63 names of Masechtos of Mishnayos. Before we begin, it's important to clarify that in addition to dividing the Mishnayos into just Masechtos, books, all of the different Mishnayos can also be broken up into 6 different orders, or in Lashon HaKodesh, into 6 different sedros. The sedros are as follows. Order number 1 is called Zra'im, which means seeds. All of the Mishnayos listed in this order speak about the dinim that have to do with agriculture, a farmer planting and harvesting things in his field. The second order, the second sedra, is called Moyed. The Mishnayos in this order speak about the dinim of things that come up in different times throughout the year, such as Shabbos and Yom Tif. The third sedra is called Nashim, which means women. The dinim of these Mishnayos speak about a man and a woman getting married or getting divorced. The fourth sedra is called Nizikin, which means damages. These are dinim of a person damaging financially one another. The fifth order is called Kachim, which means holy. They speak about the dinim of the Beis HaMikdash and Karbanes. And the sixth and final order is called Taharos, which means purity. The Mishnayos in this order speak about the dinim of Tuma and Tara, a person becoming pure and impure. We are going to be learning the names of these 63 Mishnayos in these 6 Sidarim, in these 6 orders, to the tune of Marei Kayin. I highly recommend for you to print out a chart with the names of all of these Mishnayos, and if you practice these names for 30 days in this tune, then I can almost guarantee you that you will know the names of these Mishnayos by heart. Here we go. Brachos peyademai kilayim shviyis trumais maestros meister sheni chala arla bikorim. These are the Mishnayos of Zra'im. Shabbos Eruvin Psachim Shkalim Yuma Sukkah Be'arosh Hashanah Tainis Megillah Moyet Katan Chagika. These are the Mishnayos of Moyet. Yeva Moiskisu Vois Nedarim Nazir Saita Gitin Kiddushin. These are the Mishnayos of Nashim. Bava Kama, Bava Mitzia, Bava Basra, Sanhedrin, Makos, Shvuos, Ediyos, Avodah Zara, Avos Hariyos. These are the Mishnayos of Nezikin. Zvachim menachos chulin b'chayros erchin tmura krisos meila tamid midais kinim. These are the Mishnayos of Kachim. Kelim ahalos negaim para Taharos mikvais nida machshirin zavim tvul yom yadayim uktzin. These are the Mishnayos of Taharos.